how to fix Capcut no internet connection. So here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into your phone settings and you want to search for storage. Search for storage, and here we'll just click on iPhone storage. From the list of applications, we want to sort them by name, and here just find the Capcut app. Click on Capcut and you want to offload the application. Offload the app and then you want to reinstall it. It's going to take a little bit of time, but after it has been reinstalled, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't work, then what I can suggest doing is changing your connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try turning it off and then just connecting using mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, try connecting to Capcut through a Wi-Fi network, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.